Welcome to Living Montessori Now. I'm Christina. In Montessori education, we teach phonetic sounds rather than letter names. We use lowercase letters and sandpaper letters to first introduce them. Many Montessori educators teach the phonetic sounds in an order that allows the child to make many words with the letters he or she has learned. Here's an example of an order that's used in many American Montessori Society schools. Of course, we would use sandpaper letters rather than small, movable alphabet letters, and not all at once. I'm using these so they will all fit on the rug for this video. Parents are often unsure of how to pronounce the phonetic sounds, so I'm going to point to each letter and say its phonetic sound. With the child, you'll trace each letter with the index and middle fingers as you say its sound. See the video and blog post on the 3-period lesson to learn how to use the 3-period lesson for teaching phonetic sounds. Today, I'll just point to each letter. You'll typically introduce 3 letter sounds at a time using sandpaper letters. Here are all the letter sounds. S, m, t, a, p, f, k, r, b, u, I, g, n, d, j, k, w, a, v, y, z, ks, kwa, e. You can use your knowledge of letter sounds to play sound games with your toddler or preschooler. Monkey. The word monkey starts with m. Can you bring the monkey to the rug, Zoe? That's it. Turtle. The word turtle starts with t. Can you bring the turtle? That's it, Zoe. It's really very simple. You can give your child a strong start in reading right in your own home. Please like and subscribe to Living Montessori Now for more Montessori-inspired activities and ideas.